What up? I'm just telling, scoping for giraffe. Yo. So, Ari from Slack sent comma.ai a beautiful Ford giraffe. Not that, that's a wire. Ford giraffe. All right, so let's go get some cable ties out of this box here. These cable ties. Yeah, Ari. All right, let's go out, and I got the Ford key in my pocket. Let's go to the Ford. I hope no one took the Ford. Someone took the Ford a few nights ago. I woke up, it was like 3 in the morning. I wanted to go to McDonald's. True story. Oh, we got a lot of cars. All right, I probably just locked myself out of the house. But I got my Ford key here. All right. Year of the Ford. Year of the Ford. All right. So here we are. Climbing aboard my beautiful Ford Fusion. I love this car. Nah, we don't have smart lock. I don't trust that shit, man. Got hackers. You gotta watch out for hackers, man. What about hackers? All right, so I don't know if you really see anything. This phone's not very good in the dark. Go in here. Oh, it's up here. Cool. All right, so I'm just gonna go right in here. I'm gonna disconnect this connector. Well, first we can disconnect. Whoa, we lost all the lights here. Let's get some lights on in here. ESP8266. The hackers, bro. What about hackers, though? Have you considered hackers? Yeah, I know. I've come around on the Fusion, guys. You know, I change my mind when I'm wrong. I was wrong about Mobileye. And I was wrong about Ford. I was not wrong about Zoox, and I was not wrong about Drive.ai, but maybe I'll come around on them too. You know, I can change my mind. I'm not a politician. No, see, that's just too far, man. Subaru is too far. All right. No, so, sometimes things change. Yeah, shop.comma.ai. All right, Scopey, sorry I need to hold you like this. All right, cool. So, anti-lidar. You know, I've never been anti-lidar. So we got these connectors here. So let's plug this dongle into this dongle. Don't say dongle, it triggers Area Richards or whatever her name was. All right, let's plug in this dongle to this dongle. Okay, sorry, Scopies. I know I'm being rough with you. Does it fit? I don't know if it fits. Does my Ford giraffe not fit? Am I gonna have to contact it? All right, well, I'm gonna put you guys right there while I try to do this with 2 hands. No. Oh, that's going to go in like that, I see. Plugging it in backwards. I got ya. All right. So let's go here. All right. Look at that. Ford giraffe installed. Look at that. Cool. Okay. So we don't need this wire down here anymore. We can unplug my gray Panda from down here. There's my gray Panda down there. You know we got the latest stuff from shop.comma.ai because we are comma.ai. And you can go to shop.comma.ai and you can buy this kind of stuff too. Yeah, Ford giraffe-tastic. All right. So let's see if we can unplug this guy. There we go. Bro, this is Ford year. I know it's the year of the Ford. That's right. And thank you, Ari. We didn't even make this Ford giraffe. So all the Scopies are about to find out live whether your Ford giraffe works or not. Let's first see if we have power. Oh. You don't have power. Maybe you only get power when you turn it on. Let's see. Oh, yep, we got power. All right, cool. Got a little smooth jazz. All right, we can definitely lose the smooth jazz. Yeah, that's better. I don't want to be safe. Yeah, right. We got rap. Hang on, I gotta put you Sex Scopies. She don't want to be saved. Yeah. All right. J. Cole, man. Shit banged. All right. So we got my gray panda wire right here. And we got my wire that came with my Eon. Nah, I'm over Sony, you guys. I don't think about Sony much anymore. Alright, so you all check out my flippin' Eon. This is a normal Eon, not a weird prototype Eon. Weird prototype Eons are canceled. They kind of sucked. Not secret. Oh, it already detected started. Wow. I don't know about this. This is crazy. Alright, so I'm just undoing this wire. Yeah, we can, so you guys see that I got a... Oh, you already flipped your Eon. Nice. Where's my comma shirt? And I'm wearing a Code Gate shirt. Alright, so we got my gray panda thing up here. I'm always looking crazy, guys. I'm gonna shave the beard. Oh yeah, I'm shaving the beard tomorrow, that's true. Only if the release happens. Alright, so I'm just gonna cable tie this up. All right, I think we are ready to ford. Put these cable ties on my... Oh no, lane keep assist malfunction, no! No, that's not good. All right, that's in, that's in. What's up? Looks pro, right, bros? I think we're good. Let's go. Let me pull my seat up and let's go for a little drive. And we'll go to Cabana and see what we see. Thanks for driving a hybrid. You're welcome, Ford. It's missing a little piece. You might have to... Almost lost these Scopies. All right. I think we're good. I don't see errors now. Ready to drive. Let's go, bros. All right, we're gonna need some lights. Where'd you get this, by the way? I love Taylor Swift. You all know I love Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift's my girl. She doesn't know who I am, but if I ever did, I would date Taylor Swift and let her write a song about me. Alright. Alright, you know what, guys, though? I don't even know if we have to drive. I have a new idea. I think if I go into the settings here, I can actually get it to vibrate the lane. Let's figure out how to do that. No, not that. No, that's entertainment. We gotta use, oh, we gotta use this one. All right, oh, there we go, help. Nope. Ah, there we go. Great, you have to press the left arrow. Go to KFC, we ain't going to KFC, bros. We're driving around now, so we gotta pay attention to the road. We don't have openpilot. But even if you do have openpilot, you still have to pay attention. That's right. What's in the settings menu? No, we're gonna try the settings menu once we get home. Oh, look at this light. I will do it at this light. Driver assist, lane keep system, intensity, and if you change the intensity, see, look, it vibrates the wheel. Intensity high. So we'll just remember that I did this when we were at that wheel. All right, cool. Let's go. So we'll just remember I did it at that light, and we'll go check it out in Cabana. Oh, this guy wants to race. I'm not racing some guy in a red car, man. I got a white hybrid here. There we go, we're good. All right, cool. Let's go to Cabana. The people are in dark clothes. All right, cool. Cool, bros. All right. So now I gotta wait for my Eon to upload. Should already be kind of uploaded. Good city. I don't know about that. Oh, I can't leave my lights on. All right. Bye-bye, Ford. Let's go to Cabana. Bye-bye, Ford. Let's see, let me close what's up on my computer. You know, I don't like showing you guys what's up on my computer. All right, now that all that's closed, look at me for a little bit while I find that route. Yeah, we got a gray panda, of course. Cabana gang. All right. Let's see what's up. Oh, yeah, my burger's coming soon. It's exciting. Let's see. Did you change your desk again? No, it's the same desk. All right, so let me just connect to the Fusion here. I hope routes are processing. Yes, routes are processing. Oh, they uploaded so fast. Oh, you guys want to, wait, what? No, that's yesterday's. That's literally, no, bad thingy. Okay, it hasn't processed yet. Let's make sure uploader's running. Nope, we might be out of luck. We might just be out of luck. What noise does a giraffe make? That's a good question. No, my route hasn't uploaded yet. I don't understand. Yeah? Rap battle, bro? Ubuntu equals spy. Does it spy? Like, this says I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. So we have an internal interface here where I can manage all of our company Eons. Bring the Eon inside. Oh, that's so much effort. I have to go get the Eon. Honestly, it seems like Wi-Fi is broken. No, that's yesterday's drive. You guys, guess who's starting on Monday? We have an infrastructure engineer starting on Monday that's going to fix that problem. Oh, no, Ubuntu's spying on me. Nah, I installed Xmonad. They ain't got shit. No, this is terrible. All right, I'm going to go. Wait. Okay, hang on. Now I'm connected to the Eon. It moved, though. Am I connected over cellular to the Eon? No, I'm connected over Wi-Fi. Okay. So now I'm connected to the Eon. So you guys see I'm just SSHing to the Eon like normal. And now let's see if the data's here. Oh no, it's all still here. Oh, just D cameras and shit. I don't understand why the route didn't process though. Andy? Andy? I'm on Periscope. My route didn't process. I'm on Periscope? Yeah. I don't see my routes. Can I slack your dongle ID? Yeah. Alright. Do you have time to SCP, right, bros? We can SCP. You want to SCP a video of me? We'll see if we can use it for our camera. Alright, I'm sending a dongle ID. There should be this route. Yeah, no, we hired an infrastructure guy. He starts Monday, so now we'll have somebody to blame if things take forever. Oh, you guys want to see the checklist? Here's the checklist for 044. You guys can see the checklist. I got to make the front camera work at night. Never give up, never surrender. Absolutely, that's the motto. You guys, 64 of you who are watching, if you guys don't know, shop.comma.ai. Make sure to buy. We got the dopest merch in the game. You can buy eons like this one here. You can buy debug boards, pandas, paws. Yeah. Got a rough Monday coming up, I know. Yo, guess what else? You know what we hired today? We hired a recruiter. We hired a recruiter. We hired a lot of people. We hired a lot of people lately. We've been hiring because we got money, but we're not talking about that. What? Any plans to keep my cars on the rails like cruise? I don't really know what that means, but let's download a picture of my face and see if we can watch a video of me. Let's SCP it. Okay, SCP, our phone. Is there a comma.ai bug bounty? Nah. If you find bugs, go hack people. We don't care. Just kidding. There's just no bounty. Just report them because you're nice. Or you can I don't know. How's the HD mapping coming? You want to go visit the HD mapping team? You want to go visit the mapping team? You can go visit the mapping team. All right, here's a recording from the front camera. It's not very good at night. You see that giraffe dongling there? You can kind of see my face over there. There I am holding the scopies. While we wait patiently for my route to process. All right, band. No, but you want to go visit? You want to go visit upstairs team and talk about why we don't have maps yet? Let's go visit upstairs team. Band. You want to explain the Calum filter problem to the scopies?
Oh.
Yeah.
It's right here.
All right, just explain it to them.
I understand it.
Just explain what's going on.
Okay, so we're trying to write a new Kalman filter architecture that represents attitude in a new way. So you can represent your attitude in the world using Euler angles, which is 3 different angles, and that's just those 3 angles represent how you rotate your reference frame to get into the car frame.
Yeah.
But that's singular and non-linear, because when you go over 2 pi, it jumps back. So there's quaternions, which is a better way of representing it. But that's a 4-dimensional vector, whereas...
Guys, how many dimensions is rotation? How many dimensions?
Exactly 3.
That's right.
So a 4-dimensional quaternion is not minimal, so you need to do some fancy stuff to get...
Where does the other dimension go? It goes over here. It goes somewhere over there, guys. Yeah, you need to get one of those matrices. That big, the big phi? Big phi? That's big phi?
Big phi.
Yeah, we need big phi matrix. But you can't get the big phi matrix because it's not a Jacobian. These F matrix is Jacobian, and that's good. Big phi matrix is not Jacobian, guys. I really tried hard last night typing Jacobian to get it. We tried a bunch of different combinations of Jacobian. No, but you gotta do that. So now, just so you guys know, they always ask about the HD mapping. Oh, this is the solution.
This is the solution.
Good, Harold solved it. So just so you scopies, when you ask about the HD maps, okay, here's where they are. Yep, you want to read these papers? Yeah, okay, so that's where the maps are. They're over there. When moon. You dropped out of math in high school, but that's why Khan Academy exists. Absolutely, bro. Yeah, so just so you guys know, that's where the HD maps are. Who want to change the world? Come work at comma.ai. Let's see if my route processed yet. Did it process? No, it didn't. This is a tragedy. Oh, no. Okay, that's why mapping's not done. No, but we're gonna get an infrastructure engineer starting Monday, and then give him some time, give him a few months, going over the HD maps because they're really hard. No, okay. So, like, you want to do slam, right? Because even with a gray panda, if you want to get that crazy high accuracy, you know you got to do, it's allegedly, the Eon uploaded. That's not the problem. It just seems like the pipeline didn't process them. You know what happened? Yeah, guys, it's going to get better. This year, we're going to, we get a lot of people this year. We're hiring a lot of people.
Periscope.
Yeah. You want to give me an update?
Hey everyone, so you're uploading so many drives that our one big server is not big enough. So on Monday, we're going to increase the number of servers that are
Can you move my drive to the front of the queue?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. You want to show people stuff?
Yeah, I was gonna cabana with them. Oh, we got a Ford giraffe in the mail, so we're gonna take a look and.
Make sure it wasn't catastrophic.
Yeah. Less messages with the giraffe than with OBD. Interesting. Which phone are we using after the no, only the OnePlus 3T. That's it, ever. This is legit, right? Like, look, we got like debugging right here at comma.ai. Oh, let's check Twitter. That's what I do when I have nothing to do. It's kind of terrible. Yeah, we're running all this on Anton. If by Anton you mean a phone, yeah, bro. No. Phones are incredible, man. Phones are quad core. Yo, guys, freethedsp.com. Check it out. Right now, it's just a tweet, but there'll be way more. We use a Windows server. We use MSSQ. What do you think, man? George.com. DSP got free. Yo, don't tell anyone yet that the DSP got free. Yo, but we got leaked DSP exploits. I used to be a hacker in a past life. The DSP is, waiting for the right time to announce the freedom of the DSP. Just use AWS servers. We're not using AWS. We're using Azure. Why can't you make money from the maps? Because we're a hardware company. We make money from a hardware. And then we give the maps away for free. No, with the Qualcomm DSP. We're on the Qualcomm DSP. All right. Yeah, you guys, you're uploading so many drives that we can't keep up. No, but seriously, guys, growth has been, you want to talk about moon? It's been moon around here. The store, you know how we fulfill twice a week? We might have to start fulfilling more. And not because we want to ship quicker, but because that's just how crazy things are flying off the shelves. We moved like hundreds of Eons, thousands of Pandas. We're getting to that 1,000 and 10,000 mark too, which is getting crazy. Oh, you guys saw the Pandas, right? Zombie native phones, yeah, right. I'm building the Panopticon, bros. The future has crazy things. So I don't know if this route is going to come through and process. Oh, it's processing. Oh, guys, it's processing. Yo. Okay, well, at least I can see my files now. So those are my files. This is our internal tool. And that's my download ID. There's no secrets on there. Get around the Eons. Yeah, we are kind of. Get your Eon early. We probably made too few. Eons? Okay, so when we first sold Eons, nobody even understood what it was. And nobody bought any. And now we sell lots and lots of Eons. And yeah, so we're looking into, someone's got to call me back about some big purchases so we can make a lot more Eons, right? All right, so let's watch the camera. Let's watch the video of my drive. Okay, here's the video. Ooh, look at that high quality HDR. Autofocus. It looks a little blurry, but I don't think it's blurry. I think it's just blurry because I didn't clean my windshield. Ew. Look at that dirt. Leica Cool S1. Yo, do you know where I can buy 10,000 of them? If you could hook me up, if you know where I could get a lot of Leicos. Oh yeah, no, you don't want a Neo, bro. Yeah, but you're gonna want to switch. The problem with switching is you want to get that I know, right? If you know how to hook me up with a lot of Leicos, yeah, a lot. That's the lap I drive a lot. All right, let's see if my route's finished processing. We're going to give you guys more access to this tool, too. This is, we call it user admin. No, they haven't processed yet. Oh, man, look at how crispy these pictures look. Oh, actually, I don't think the focus really had time. Look at just how crispy that picture looks. That's a crispy looking picture. Called user admin. Doesn't remind you of anything like that. That sounds like someone... Does anyone want to come here and intern and write that? What about LiDAR? I bought a LiDAR a long time ago. I regret it. I don't need LiDAR. It's too expensive, man. We used to have money. Like, now we have money again, but, we're frugal. We're very frugal. Got to be frugal. We pay people well, but this is all we really spend money on. Want to come write that? Did I hire from New Zealand? No, you gotta work in California. So you were like, go to Project the other day. Guys, just on the DL, if you know where to get like a couple thousand Leicos or OnePluses, let me know. We're gonna be Eddie and I are gonna be taking a trip to China soon to look for stuff. No, bank account is actually not going dry. We're almost profitable, and now we're like, we would be profitable if we didn't hire all these new people, but we hired all these new people. So you don't regret it all because they're great people. All right, so it's like not processing yet. You guys are uploading too many. Yo, I will definitely Periscope from the People's Republic of China. Absolutely. Auto high beam. I'm not writing that shit. What are your tips for raising money? If you're asking me that, you change your idea or like change your pitch. Like you just, let me tell you how to raise money. Just act like you don't want it, because if you want it, it smells like desperation. Build a good product, right? We didn't need the money, but we got it on great terms. So you never say no to great terms. No, the money's gonna help us grow, and the money's gonna help us build something that has been one of the biggest secrets of comma that we've been working on. You can't go profitable. I love profitability, guys. I love it. I love making money. I love money. I love making money. I love capitalism. Build cool shit and people notice. You don't need people with money. Just sell it to a lot of people. Right? We're a hardware startup. People think you can't make money in hardware. And if you're Juicero, you can't. But doing a Shenzhen hardware trip, yeah. Yeah, Eddie and I are going to go to China. We'll Periscope from China. Taking a paycheck yet? No, I still don't get paid anything. Cop detection, now that I'm interested in. I do love profitability. I love profit. I love money. I love making money. I love capitalism. All right, guys, I don't think these routes are going to process, unfortunately. So, we're going to have to, wait. And we're going to have to do this on a different Periscope. But that was the first step. And then there's the step of waiting for comma.ai to finally process your routes, which needs to get better. I'm not getting acquired by Tesla. Why would I get acquired by Tesla? That's like Android getting acquired by plate recognition, track all the cops, right? Capitalism's going to end soon. No, Cabana's not 0 day. The climate for real. How I feel about that. Capitalism for the rich, socialism for the poor. We do it the other way around, then it's terrible. How about just capitalism for everybody? There is no current infrastructure guy. There's no current infrastructure guy. Take selfies in China with dudes in the soul. I'm not doing that, man. I love China. I love going to China. And you know what I learned from PewDiePie? How to go to foreign countries and be respectful. No, Google doesn't get to win. Google's over. Capitalism for the win, that's right. No, Google's over, guys. Who wants to go work at Google? Nobody. Quit Google. If you're a good engineer, come work here. Google's not building the future. I do like China food. Dude, I just need the files. No, I got the files. Got files need cabana. Oh, I see. It's okay. Scopies will be sad. No, guys. No, so actually the route didn't process it. It would have processed for you. It's just not going to process for us because we're running 044 and we haven't updated the pipeline to process 044 routes yet. Yeah, no, our routes go to comma.ai too. We're using the same infrastructure you guys are. And it's just as shitty as the infrastructure you guys are using. But we hired an infrastructure engineer who starts Monday. So that's all very exciting. We also hired a recruiter. All right, so I'm going to show you the recruiter's desk. Get my head beyond. Guys, I don't worry about that stuff. Hire from New Zealand. Would you assist relocation? Yeah, we could do a relocation bonus, sure. Comma.ai. What? This works on HTTPS, doesn't it? All right, guys. This is the desk for the recruiter. So we're gonna have a recruiter sitting right here, and we got him this beautiful piece of artwork. You like this artwork? That's right. I kind of like this artwork. So I hope he likes that artwork. No, it's not Guilfoyle. Yeah, yo. It's exciting. It's exciting. Hi, Scopies. Thanks for joining. Sorry we couldn't Periscope with you all today. We got Andy a new iMac Pro, and that's why the recruiter gets the iMac. Who is the recruiter? Yeah, reach out. Give me a job at comma.ai. Much deep. Cool. No, I haven't seen Mr. Robot. Recruiter needs an iMac. Yeah. She-Cham, welcome. All right. Peace.